Hey guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to synchronize two video clips or any external recording with your video. So let's start. But before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos. And let's dive in. All you have to do is to select all the clips and right click and then hit synchronize. If you don't find this option or it was unavailable to you, make sure you have selected all the clips you want to synchronize and then hit back again and you will find the option. Click on synchronize and make sure you have selected the audio option and the track channel would be okay, make it 2 and then okay. Just wait a couple of seconds till it ends. After it's done, the video is successfully synchronized with the audio. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to watch all our upcoming videos. And goodbye.